Exercise 5.1, question number 3. Weekly wages are given 830, 835, 890, 810. Large data is there. So in case of the large data, you always have to take group intervals. Grouped data, that is called intervals. Okay? So start from the minimum number. You can take gap of 10, 10, 20. It's as per your choice. But in the question, it is given that you have to take the gap of 10. It's not compulsory to take the gap of 10. You can take the gap of 20 as well. So if you take 800 to 820, then your length of the question will reduce. Lavish, wear your mask. Do your work. Where is your book? How you will solve the sum if you are not having books? इसमें आएगा, next में आएगा. 810 will be counted in the next interval instead of the above one. In the same way, 820 will be counted in the next interval. Yes. Intervals you will take on x-axis, and frequency that you will get after this frequency distribution table, you will take on y-axis to draw the graph. Two parts are there. In the first part, you have to draw frequency distribution table. Then from the information that you will get from this distribution table, you will draw the histogram. In case of the interval, histogram will be drawn. Is it so? Why you are sitting free? Count them, write the frequency. 3. बार ग्राफ नहीं, हिस्टोग्राम. इंटरवल्स आर देयर ना, तो बार ग्राफ नहीं बनेगा, क्या बनेगा? हिस्टोग्राम. काम करो, अगला करो. Now, what you will do, you will take this intervals on x-axis and this frequency on y-axis from 1 to 7 numbers. Okay, then you will draw histogram. Okay, go. Eh? एक 9 है, ठीक है, करो 9. And what about the others? 5. एक रब कर दो, एक रब कर दो. डन. Now do fifth question. Do fifth question. Histogram is given. You have to answer the following question. Number 1 is this you have completed. Have you drawn histogram of this? Do it first. Draw histogram for this. You have to write the details of this. This is wages, number of workers. Kisme? On y-axis, yes. 1 to 9 you will write the numbers. लिख दो. Hurry up, complete this, draw histogram. Then you have to do question number 5 to give the following answers. Question number 5. First part is for how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? At least 32 students are there who watch TV between 4 to 5 hours. So maximum is 32. So students watch TV to 4 to 5 hours. How many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? Less than 4 means you will count the entries which are less than 4. That is 4, 8 and 22. That is 34. Next is how many students spent more than 5 hours in watching TV. So you will move towards the right of 5. That is 8 plus 6, 14 hours. Got it? Now second exercise we have already finished. Let's start with probability. Start 5.3 exercise. Yes, everyone start 5.3. Yes, you beta. Chalo, 5.3 first question. Can you tell me the formula for probability? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. What do you mean by probability? Probability means the chance of the occurrence of an event. Formula you already know. Now, listen to me first. Let's discuss the basic concept. If you toss a coin, sit down. If you toss a coin, total outcomes will be, if you toss a coin, total outcomes 2. That is head and tail. This is known as sample space. Sample space. So total outcomes are 2 and this that is head and tail. What is the probability of head here? एक गलत बोलता है सारी class. Very good. Head has one favorable case upon total, that is 2. Probability of tail. Tail has one favorable case upon 2. Got it? Now do the case for 2 coins. Hurry up. Everybody write down the total outcomes, sample space, then probability of one head, probability of one tail. Hurry up. If 2 coins are tossed, list the outcomes. Means क्या क्या outcomes आती है? List that, write that. Total outcomes लिखो. Probability of one head, probability of one tail. Find करो. हाँ जी, किसकी? मैंने जो आपको बोला है वो करना है, वो बाद में स्टार्ट करेंगे. Head, one tail. Probability of one head, one tail. राघव, चलो आ जाओ बोर्ड पे लिखो. समझ ही नहीं आया? वेरी गुड. चलो लिखो.